We're witnessing the emergence of contextual computing. Software and hardware that literally understands us. Welcome to the age of cognitive technology.
Is your router acting up? Are you having network connectivity issues? Stay tuned. I've got a couple tips that might fix it. There are several different situations in which you'd want to know how to reset your Wi-Fi router back to its factory default configuration. Perhaps you were locked out of your Wi-Fi network, or you forgot the password and you need to reset it back to the default so you can get back in. Perhaps your network settings are corrupted, or you're having problems accessing other machines on your network. Or maybe things are just sluggish on your network that weren't sluggish before. Either way, you'll want to know how to restore your router back to its factory default condition so you can clear out the old settings and get your network working again. Fortunately, resetting your Wi-Fi router is pretty easy. Pretty much every consumer-level Wi-Fi router has a restart button or a reset button somewhere on the unit itself. It's typically not a normal button you can press, however. You'll need a ballpoint pen or a straightened paper clip or something like that to poke the hole, and all you do is just hold it for a couple seconds. And if you leave it plugged in, depending on the router, you'll see different lights flash off and on, like it's turning off and turning on normally. After having held it for a little while and watched the pretty lights go off and on, you can let go, and the router will just kind of go through its normal startup process as though you were turning it on for the first time. What you do after this is different for each kind of consumer router. Some routers will have a default Wi-Fi network already that's open, and all you have to do is just log in and change the password and name it to whatever else you like. Other routers don't automatically enable the Wi-Fi network, so you have to connect to it manually with an Ethernet cord to your PC and configure your network yourself, either with an included utility or the built-in web interface. Still, other routers will have a default network with a default password. These are the ones you see that are called things like Linksys or D-Link or whatever. And with those routers, what you'll have to do is look up the password yourself, either in the manual or in online documentation, and log in and change the password to something that's not the default. Once you've done all that, you're free to configure your network just the way you like, and hopefully everything should be working fine from here on out. I'm Patrick Miller. Thanks for watching.